YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Some super exciting news. Jay and I are here on the call. You guys can say hi to Jay.
Hi.
Hi, Jay. We are going to be announcing our first ever Trading Floor Strategy Wars.
Bam, bam, bam,
This
bam,
is season one.
bam.
Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. So we are super excited about this. I'm not going to lie, this is a dream come true for me. I have been waiting for an opportunity to finally have Harry Potter meets like Game of Thrones type of trading wars, and we finally
Yes.
have it. We finally have it. You guys have learned strategies good enough. I feel like the community is doing really well, where we have enough people trading different styles and different strategies that we can finally have them all compete against one another. So we are going to be launching this starting August 1st. So if you guys are interested in doing this, so we're going to give you a little more details now, but the majority of the details are going to be given out Trading Floor Discord. If you guys want more information about how to join the trading floor, it is only for members. Unfortunately, you have to be a member. That's how we can verify that you guys are trading the proper strategies, that you're using the right risk management, that you're trading safely, etc. So if you guys are interested in being involved in this, you have to be a member. If you want to know how to join, the link for the trading floor is below in the description box. Just head over to the website and you guys can sign up there. I'll also link you guys a video here in the right-hand corner that will tell you about all the other benefits that come along with being a member of the trading floor. So moving on, now that you know where to go if you want to join in the competition, we are going to tell you a little bit about what it is. So Strategy Wars is going to be the 6 different strategies that we currently have, 5 indicators that we give you guys. One of them is a free one. We are allowing Artie's 3-line strike into the competition. Jay will get a little bit into the examples and show you guys the names of the teams and everything. But ultimately, what you will be doing is choosing one of those strategies to trade with for the entire month of August. The reason is one of the biggest complaints and problems that many traders have is that they strategy hop. You guys just start strategy hopping all around and you don't stay consistent and stick to one thing to truly see how it would have performed. So to help encourage you guys to stick with one thing, we are going to have you guys trading strategy wars. You pick one house team, you stick with that team for the month of August, you trade that strategy for the month of August, and if you are profitable, you will help earn points for your house team. So we'll get into more of the details now, but that's the concept of it, and we're super excited. That's all I can say. I think I'm super excited. The admins, so myself, Artie, Brutus, the big bankers like Jay, Roxy, Hawks, Bear, Alp. Oh gosh, there's so many of them. Sad now.
Ken.
As well, yeah, Ken. Oh yeah, Ken. Sorry, Ken. And also the high rollers all will be eligible to also join in this. And it's super fun because a lot of us trade very different styles. So it's super cool to see that we'll all get to be competing with each other here, and I think it sounds fun. So one of us is bound to be on one of your teams if you're choosing one of these teams, so you will have a lot of different levels of traders helping your house teams as well. So Jay's going to get into the emblems, the team names, and all the fun stuff about what we're going to be doing with this.
So I was really excited about this because I was able to unleash my creativity. Usually I have to bottle this up because I can get a little bit weird. But this is a special
Sad.
scenario where it's
Sad.
actually complimented. But I didn't ask for his permission, so I won't shout out your name, but you know who you are in the group. Came in clutch with these designs super quick, and I love these. Like Artie's is pretty hilarious as the 3-line strikers. But you have 3-line strikers starting at the top left with Artie flexing his guns with the bowling ball. You have the brute force butchers cutting through candles. You have the DeLorean Delta Force, which I think is a pretty cool emblem. And then you have the Happy Trail Hoplites, which also looks super cool with the little smiley shield. And then you have the Outback Outlaws, some scary people, and then you have the Stairmaster Samurais. More information will be discussed. Happen to join now. You'll see in the live calendars whenever you join the Discord that there is a scheduled live stream that me and Christy will be doing a specific Q&A session for this. And then we'll be opening up signups right after that so we can hopefully answer everybody's questions, show examples of how we want to go about this. But basically, you'll be having a Google form, as you see here. And in this Google form, it will be submitted into a Google Sheets. That way we can keep track of everything that there's to it. It's not limited to just the indicators themselves and the fact that you don't have to have the kangaroos on Outback to specifically trade that. And if you all know by now from Christy's videos that she has posted, I've showed you how to do manual Outback, and in this case it shows manual Outback, but it has to be a concept of the strategy and also of whatever you decide to implement with that. But we have to be able to tell that this is manual Outback. For example, you're trading Happy Trail, but you're also using maybe consolidation zones live that we've gone over in the past. You might be trading Stairmaster manually and you're using consolidation zones, but we just have to be able to tell. But yeah, I'm super excited about this, and we've written up some rules that will be shown in Discord later, and I'll just kind of like lead this up and throw it back to Christy to kind of close it out. But we didn't want to go too much into detail, just kind of want to give you all a rough idea. We're very excited about this, and I think it's going to be a very fun thing because trading is just very solo, and this is very team-based. You can rally with your team, you could talk some trash against other teams, and hopefully come out on top. And if you read at the bottom, prizes will be awarded to the winning team, but they will be disclosed what they are at a later date.
So Jay pretty much covered everything there. So as far as strategies go, guys, you do not have to use just the strategy version we teach. I know lots of people use versions of the indicators in different ways. The idea, though, is that you're using something similar in concept. So if you want to add price action in with it, that's okay, but you have to have that indicator on there. If you want to use divergences, that's okay. You have to have the indicator on there. So it's okay if you have a different little version or tweak of the strategy, as long as we can see the indicator on there and we can verify that it was a valid entry and a valid exit of that trade. So that it's just easier for us to figure out where you're taking the trade, why you are taking that trade. So it has to be one of the indicators that fall into one of those house teams that you're going to pick. You will pick one house team. You cannot switch later on, so make sure you think about what team you really want to be on before you decide. Prizes will be awarded at the end of the month to the winning team. And all the details, like Jay kind of said, will be covered in our live stream. It will be on Wednesday, July 27th in the Discord. If you decide to join up to the Discord later on and you don't make that live, that's okay. They're always recorded. You will find it in the recording lives. What Jay kind of touched on a little bit is there will be rooms. We're going to have hidden rooms. So each team will have their own hidden chat room. So you guys can kind of like strategize together, talk about your strategies, help one another where need be. But the other teams will not be able to see your chat room,
Sneaky,
so they won't know what's going on. Yes. They won't know what's going on, and I think that will add a little bit of fun to the challenge.
Be intriguing.
And very intriguing, so you guys can talk a little bit of trash about each other in those rooms. Within reason, don't break any of the rules in the Discord. But we wanted to see how this goes. We really wanted to give you guys an opportunity to work with other traders who are trading similar to your style, and also having a motivation to stick with one thing for an entire month and really see out how does that strategy do. Really learn how to perfect your strategy, learn from others who might be trading similar style and have been profitable. It can help. So that is the idea of this, but we're excited to see who will be the winner of Strategy Wars, because they're all good strategies, just different. So it is very interesting. There will not be one sole winner. We want to clarify it is a team effort, so it doesn't matter how much you make versus how little you make. If you make $1 profit or you make $10,000 profits, you will still earn the same amount of points for your house team. It does not matter if you're trading on a smaller account or a larger account. That doesn't make a difference.
Even demo or live or funded does not matter.
Yep. Demo, live, funded, they will all count. We will double check your risk management, so you will have to make sure that you are sending us screenshots of your trades, and we will make sure that the lot size, the entry price, and the exit price all kind of make sense, as well as that they add up with like the strategy you're supposed to be trading with for your team. But otherwise, guys, that it's pretty much open to interpretation if you want to add in other things to help that strategy. So definitely feel free to be creative with it, with these strategies and with the indicators. And we are super excited.
Yep.
The official date for the start will be August 1st. So as long as you guys are in by August 1st, you should be good to go. For those of you who are not members yet, we will extend to August 2nd for a deadline for
sign-up.
But after, for the signups, yeah. So you might be a day late to it, but that's okay. But after August 2nd, signups are finished. So you guys have until August 2nd if you are not in the community to get into the community and get signed up for this. If you guys are already over there, we already told you, we'll see you guys tomorrow in that live, and the sign up sheet will be ready and available after that live for you guys to go ahead and sign up.
And I
Okay.
hope to see you on the battlefield.
I know, yeah. I don't know. Are you going Outback, Jay?
I don't know.
Are you going to the battlefield?
I
Are
might
you
have to.
going?
Might
You
have
may
to.
have to. I haven't committed to a team yet, so I think people assume Happy Trail, but I have not made any commitments yet to a team. I'm weighing out my competition. So we will see, guys. I am very interested. All right, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope to see a lot of you guys over there in Strategy Wars. Bye.
Peace.